Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to see about the group by in a PySpark. So it actually allow you to perform aggregate function on group of rows rather than individual rows. So it works in a similar way in a SQL also we use group by, right? So there what actually we use, first we write a select statement, then we write aggregate function based on which particular column you want to group, that we have to mention from table, and we have to use a group by country. So it works in the similar way. It also works with the aggregate function, and after that we have to use a group by. So you can see we have a multiple aggregate function like count, mean, maximum, mean, sum, average, aggregate, that actually we can use. Let's do practical, and with that example let's try to understand. So let me open my Databricks account. So you can see I have created new notebook group by. It is a Python, and my cluster is also ready. I uploaded a file into the catalog table, and this particular location in dbfs location my file is available. So first let's create a data frame. So to create a data frame, what actually we can write, spark dot read dot csv, and which particular location my file is available. My file is available into this location, and after that I will pass header equal to true, and also I will pass infer schema true. After that, if you want to view that, so what you can write, df dot show. Let's execute. You can see I am able to view that data frame got created. Now let's see what actually I want to do. Based on the each address, what is the total number of salary of employee I want to find out. So what I will do, first you have to write df dot group by. Based on which particular column you want to group, I want to group based on the address column. So address you have to write. After that, what is the aggregate function you want to use, I want to use sum, and after that you have to use a dot show. Based on which particular sum you want to do, I want to do a sum based on the salary, so I have to mention the salary also. Now if I will do that, based on each address it should do a sum of salary. You can see in India we have a total number of salary this much, in USA we have a total number of salary this much. Now suppose you want to find out the total number of count. So in this case what actually you can mention, dot group by address, each address how many employees are there if you want to find out, dot count if you will do, and dot show you will do, you will get what is the total number of employee we have in each address. You can see India we have 6 record, USA we have a 6 record. So like that actually we can perform a group by. So if you have to perform a multiple column you want to, based on that you want to group, so what actually you can write, dear dot group by, and after that you have to write address, and you can comma it, suppose employee id. So based on the address and employee id both you want to do, so you have to write employee id, df dot group by address employee id, and you can write dot sum of salary dot show. So like this, based on the multiple condition also we can group it. So like this actually we can use a multiple aggregate function. So if I show you, we have a aggregate function like count, mean, maximum, mean, sum, average, aggregate. So this all the things we can use similar way. If you have to find out the what is the maximum salary of each country, so how actually you can find out. So in this case what you will write, df dot group by address, what is the maximum salary, maximum salary. So you can see on address we have a maximum salary this many, for USA we have a maximum salary 20,000. Similarly you can use mean also, and you can use average also. So this works in the similar way. So I hope you got the idea.